Hi, Skip here for Rockstar Sealing, the professional's choice in sealing systems. As a stone restoration guy with a stone restoration company in Southern California, this is one of my go-to products. It's called Stone Clean Plus. Now, there are several cleaning products in the Rockstar lineup. And the bottom line is, as I've talked in previous videos, Miracle Cleaner versus Natural Stone Cleaner, Neutral Stone Cleaner, Daily Stone Care. Bottom line is, use the specific cleaner to establish, and this is important, your baseline level of cleaning on any stone surface. Once it's established, and particularly where we use this and or recommend this, is in those high traffic areas that you've established a baseline and you want to maintain it out over time. Schools, hotels, commercial buildings with stone surfaces, this is your daily high traffic cleaner. It's got a little more, what do we say, oomph to get the high traffic, lots of foot, pets maybe two, particulate dirt smudging. Great product, water-based, low VOC, environmentally friendly. Apply and dilute and then subsequently apply as per the instructions on the back, and then agitate, whether it's a broom or you want to mop it up, wet vac, or if in a more commercial setting you're using a floor machine with a soft pad or soft bristle brush head. Water extract or mop with a microfiber, and you're going to maintain those surfaces with a product designed to do it in high traffic areas. To learn more about where to get this Stone Clean Plus, visit rockstarsealing.com.